This video outlines in short the first steps of creating an ad hoc assessment. It presents the first sections of the Ad Hoc Assessment Form, in which it is shown how to link clinical trials to an ad hoc assessment, and how to populate the assessment details. It shows also how to save and share an ad hoc assessment. In the Authority workspace, in the Ad Hoc Assessment tab, you can view all the ad hoc assessments that have been created. On top, you can see the search functionalities and the sorting functionalities. Below, in the search results, you can view all the ad hoc assessments that satisfy the selected search criteria. You can see basic information such as the assessment ID number, the member states concerned, or MSCs, the assessing member state, and more. On top, you can create a new ad hoc assessment by clicking on the respective button on the right side. An ad hoc assessment form opens. It is articulated in 5 subsections. In the first subsection, you need to link at least one clinical trial to your ad hoc assessment. Only trials that have been authorized can be linked to an ad hoc assessment. Search for the clinical trials using the respective button. Use the criteria that apply to the trial you want to link the ad hoc assessment. In this example, the sponsor field is used. Click on the search button to retrieve trials in which the test organization is the sponsor. Select the clinical trials you want to link to your assessment by using the tick in boxes on the left side. One or more trials can be linked to the ad hoc assessment. If multiple trials are selected, the sponsor should be the same. Use the Add to Assessment button in the end of the pop-up window to link the selected trials to the assessment. They will be listed in the first subsection of the ad hoc assessment. In case the ad hoc assessment is triggered in relation to the investigational medicinal products, or IMPs, used in the trial, the user can select one or more IMPs from the list offered, using the tick in boxes. Below, in the Assessment Details section, click on the arrow on the right side to expand it. The fields with asterisks are mandatory. Type the assessment title in the respective field. In the Link to field, use the drop-down list to link the assessment to the appropriate type of notification, or any other reason that triggered the ad hoc assessment. In this example, the ad hoc assessment is linked to an unexpected event notification. After the type of notification is selected, a pop-up window appears. It lists the notifications of the selected type that have been submitted for the selected clinical trials. In this example, since unexpected event has been selected, the pop-up window lists the unexpected events that have been submitted for the selected 2 clinical trials. Use the tick in boxes on the left side to link the applicable unexpected event to the ad hoc assessment. The selected notifications will appear in the end of the subsection. You can link more notifications using the respective button, or you can remove the selected ones by using the bin icon. You can add supporting documentation using the Add Document button. Below, use the drop-down list to select the countries that have been affected by the event that is subject to the ad hoc assessment. In this example, Austria and Germany are selected. If it is a safety-related assessment, tick in the box below. In any moment, you can always save your ad hoc assessment using the Save button on top. By saving for the first time, the assessment will obtain an ID, and the creation date will be populated. If you don't share the assessment, it won't be visible to the other member states. Once you share it, a green message will appear on the upper right corner. The shared date will be populated. The assessing member state, the MSCs of the selected trials, and the affected member states will receive an alert informing them that the assessment has been shared. All the other member states will receive a notice informing them that the assessment has been shared. By clicking on the alert or the notice, you can view the details of the assessment, but not to edit any part of it. In the next videos of this module, you may watch how to populate the other subsections of the Ad Hoc Assessment Form. This video is part of the CTIS training program. For more information on how to create and complete an ad hoc assessment, you may visit our training platform and our additional materials.